Google Analytics 4, or GA4 as it's often called, has changed how we look at website data. If you're used to the old Universal Analytics, GA4 might feel a bit different at first. But once you get the hang of it, it offers a detailed and flexible way to understand how users interact with your website or app. My goal today is to walk you through the important metrics you should be tracking in GA4 and explain why they matter without getting bogged down in jargons. Users. This metric tells you how many people visited your website or app. In GA4, you get three types: total users, new users, and importantly, active users. Understanding these numbers is key for tracking growth. If your marketing efforts are working, you should see your total and new users increasing. Active users give a much better sense of who's genuinely interacting with your content. Engage sessions. This is a crucial concept in GA4. An engaged session can be defined as one that lasted longer than 10 seconds, had at least one conversion event, or had two or more page views. This metric helps filter out those quick clicks where someone just lands on a page and immediately bounces off. It shows you who's spending more time on your site. If your engagement sessions are low, your content might not be capturing attention. Engagement rate. This is simply the percentage of engaged sessions out of your total sessions. It gives you a quick snapshot of quality over quantity. If you have a high number of sessions but low engagement rate, something might be off. You want to attract people who stay and interact, not just bounce. We also have average engagement time, which tells you how long users are actively engaging with your content during their visit. Longer engagement usually points to better content or a better user experience. Events. In GA4, almost everything is tracked as an event. Page views, clicks, downloads, video plays, you name it. Tracking events is powerful because it helps you understand exactly what users are doing on your site. You can even set up custom events to track specific actions that are important to your business, like form submissions or button clicks. This leads us to the next key metric: conversions. Conversions are simply events that you mark as being important. This could be a purchase, a form, submission, a sign up, or any other key action you want users to take. If you're not tracking conversions, you're honestly missing the whole point of having a website. You need to know what's driving results. Pages and screens. Beyond these core metrics, keep an eye on pages and screens to see which content is most popular. Traffic sources to understand where your visitors are coming from, like organic search, paid, social, etc. User retention to see if people are coming back, and demographics and tech to learn more about your audience's age, location, devices, and browsers. Look, GA4 can take a little getting used to, but don't get overwhelmed by all the data. Start with the foundational metrics: users, engagement, events, and conversions. These metrics tell you if people are finding, using, and enjoying your content. And more as you get comfortable and always tie your data back to your business goals, metrics are only truly helpful if they help you make better decisions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.